So if you're looking to improve your credit score as quickly as possible because you're either looking to purchase your first home or refinance your current property, there are some specific tools that you can use in order to get that jolt to your credit score very, very quickly. I found one recently that I've been recommending to my clients and my subscribers, and I'm going to break it all down for you in today's training. Alright, so let me start out by saying that I am not a credit repair expert, I'm not a credit repair company, and all the information I'm going to share with you in today's training is simply educational. Now that we've gotten the disclaimer out of the way, I want to introduce you to something called the Credit Builder card. So if you've watched some of my other videos, you know that adding positive trade lines to your credit is one of the quickest ways to improve your credit score other than paying down your current revolving debt balances. So with that being said, I've talked in some other videos about a tool called Self-Lender, which adds an installment loan to your credit. And in this training, I want to talk about something called the Credit Builder card. And the Credit Builder card is a secured credit card that you can add onto your credit report very, very quickly with minimal investment. And they report to credit bureaus 6 times per month. So it can really be a great way to increase your credit score very quickly if you're either looking to buy or refinance your home. So the Credit Builder card here, I'm going to put the website down in the description so you can go to it. It's the easiest way to build credit that I've found, especially if you don't have any credit. There's no credit score necessary for this, and it is a secured credit card. So you do need to put a deposit. The minimum deposit is $200, and there's a $29 annual fee with this card. But if you're looking to build credit and you aren't able to get another type of credit card because of your credit standing, this could be a great option for you. So they report to all 3 credit bureaus, which is key when you're looking to improve your credit score for a mortgage, and they report 6 times per month. And that's really important because a lot of these other tools or other secured cards you may have seen before, they only report once a month. And that means if you sign up today, you may have to wait 30 or even up to 45 days for it to actually hit your credit report and improve that score. So by this one reporting 6 times per month, it means that if you sign up today, within a week or so, you should see that improvement on all 3 credit bureaus as a result. So I actually found out about this because one of my preferred credit repair companies, My Credit Guy, Sam Parker at mycreditguy.com, he had talked about this that he uses with a lot of credit repair clients. And I was in a Facebook group the other day and I noticed another colleague of mine that had mentioned that they use this. And I said, you know what, for my subscribers online as well as my clients, I want to give them all the resources possible. So this seems like a great scenario that I can bring to you. Always trying to give you the most cutting edge tips, techniques, and tools that you can use to improve your credit. So again, I'm going to put the link there in this video so you can go ahead and sign up and get more information. As always, if I can be of assistance to you or anyone you know with buying or refinancing your home, feel free to reach out to me on social media or via text and call. We'll talk to you soon.